Is it U-shaped?
Time to light some stuff on fire. We're gonna leave this one like this. Pop. 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 What's up, guys? We're the Voyager here. So I'm here with Alexei and Angie. Angie from Food and Cats. You remember her from the New York vlog. Go subscribe to her channel. So we're doing a big collab today. We're trying to make sushi. This is my first time making sushi. I think they tried it before. Don't know how it turned out. But we're gonna see how it turns out today. So yeah, let's get started. The angle wasn't great, but it's okay.
You're not supposed to cut the skin this way, but...
You're just exposing it. Pressure. You just go like this. Ooh, very sharp knife. I don't know if I did it right, but...
I think it looks fine. Kind of thick.
That is a big boy. Alright, head chef Angie, what sushi are we making?
We got some California rolls. I know it's lame. Shrimp tempura. I fried some of the crab sticks. And then we bought some salmon and tuna to make nigiri sushi.
Okay.
Belly.
Do it again, do it again. Oh no. Look at the flick, look at the flick, look at the flick. Alright, you wanna see how a pro does it? So, ready? Go. I got one out of 3. Two out of 3. Alright, we're gonna get stopped with 2 out.
Some rice.
Are we attempting the first roll?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Should we do California or shrimp tempura first?
I don't know. Whatever floats your boat.
We'll do shrimp tempura because it's just the shrimp going in.
Alright.
Simplify.
So we're setting the bar high. Angie's gonna make it first. Then Alexei's gonna try. Then I'm gonna try.
There's a little bit of extra, but it's okay.
Cut it.
You're supposed to clean the knife after like X cuts because the rice is sticking.
Let's get a close up. Dude. Let's see the sushi piece.
Oh.
Oh. Wow. Restaurant quality. Not. Alexei making what are you making? Salmon avocado
Salmon
roll?
avocado.
The salmon avocado roll.
It's more avocado, but I didn't know how much we needed.
You don't need one of these guys.
I might need that.
What's the difference between the rubber one and the wooden one?
The bamboo one is just traditional, but they have silicone ones now.
Fancy. Here we go. Moment of truth. Ooh, big gap, big gap. You got the Grand Canyon in your sushi. You just had to wrap it tighter, I guess.
I think the rice is too thick.
Oh.
Also, they gave
It's also a half sheet, not a full sheet.
Well, no, it's not supposed to be a full sheet for the like.
The inside looks pretty good though. Hold it up to the camera.
Nice.
Let's see what we're
Ooh, that's not a good one.
Yeah, get your best. Oh no, they're all falling apart.
Hide the seam, not too bad.
Oh yeah. Alright, now it's your boy's turn. Alright, so far we've seen Angie make the sushi. Now we saw Alexei make the sushi. So out of all of us, I think Angie has the best cooking skills. Alexei, I don't know how to comment about your cooking skills. I just remember in college, this dude ate White Castle burgers, like frozen White Castle burgers every single night. So I think my cooking skills are a little bit above him, but sushi rolling skills, we'll see what happens. Beep. All right.
Oh, you make them thicker than me, Alexei.
We got our silicone things. We got silicone, we got seaweed. All right, so we take one sheet. Bop. Does it matter if you put it in the middle or? Nah.
No.
All right, so we're gonna do the California roll. So we gotta do the rice first. So we got crab, avocado, cucumber.
Yeah.
All right. Oh my gosh. Just took a big chunk out of the avocado. Alright, we're gonna go with a slightly thinner rice layer here because you guys have been having trouble with that. Alright. Okay, now crab first, I guess. Nah, avocado first. Ready?
You have cut already, right?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
But like it was stuck together, yeah. Alright, and then cucumber. Let's do 3 strands, maybe, probably. Some crab. What in the world? How am I supposed to scoop with this?
Use the chopsticks.
No.
I thought it'd be easier if I cut it into shreds instead of the stick.
I don't think so.
No, the stick is pretty fat.
Let's do like one.
So I don't think it would have fit in the half sheets.
Alright. Okay, I think my sushi is way too big. But it's okay. Alright, here we go. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Squeeze tight, 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 tight. Tight, 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 tight. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Pop. Nobody saw that. Cut the end off here.
Wait, don't cut on the mat.
Oh. Nobody saw that. Don't mind these sushi unraveling. Don't mind it.
My cucumber.
Don't mind that.
No, I forgot. You didn't put it on cutting.
It's falling apart as I cut it.
Just eat as you cut. No!
Somebody get these out of here. I'm moving these. Alright. Let's see the best one here. Whoa, check it out.
It's U-shaped.
Let me throw some salmon in there.
Ooh,
Rainbow roll.
Premium roll. Extra price. I don't think that. What roll are we attempting, Alexei? The inside out roll?
Gonna do the Christmas roll.
Christmas. I've never even heard of half of these things.
Salmon, tuna, avocado. What Angie has, but like the rice on the outside instead.
Oh, rice on the outside. Okay.
Yo, I cut you some saran wrap so you don't put the sticky rice on the bamboo mat.
Oh.
Too late for that.
I hate you. We're not gonna be able to use that.
Is what?
The roll.
Why?
Because the rice is just gonna be stuck in
Oh no.
my giant arm. I'm hungry.
Alright. Hopefully this works.
Man, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not too bad, not too bad.
Not bad at all.
Colorful.
This might be your best
it's
roll.
colorful, yeah.
Yo. The salmon skin. Ooh. Go.
Yeah.
All right.
Cook later.
Are we?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Here, put it on the back of my hand that's dry.
My hand's okay, I got it.
Nothing to see here. Yeah, check it out.
See if you improve second round. I don't think so.
No, look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist.
That close up.
Alright, let's take a look. It looks so small. But it's a good roll.
Clean though, most clean.
That's quick. Gonna weave this one like this. Bop. 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 Oh no.
You're making it worse the more you touch it.
We're done. Played it.
Just like one.
This one.
This one.
Time to light some stuff on fire. Nope. No fire.
Oh, there's 2 sheets
Oh.
left.
A little bit of fire, so I missed myself recording it the first time, but we ran out of fire.
Amateur mistake.
Yeah. All right, guys.
do it.
Here's the finished product.
Itadakimasu.
Not bad. I mean, I think the taste you can't go wrong, but the presentation maybe not. But yeah, no. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was really fun making out the sushi. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. With the Voyager, out.
You see how gentle he is when he takes food?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to feed him?
Hello, Andrew. Would you like some food?
He has to investigate it.
Success.
Not having it today.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's got to stretch to warm up. Come on. Jump. Oh. Andrew, jump. Okay.